What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are back with some more Ninja Legends. This is the second episode, so I just did one before, and I'm gonna put that on later. No, I was going off camera for like half an hour. I made it to Sandstorm Island, boy. We got to Sandstorm Island, and wait, what? It said... Oh my god, it's a glitch. Guys, it's a glitch. I'm just gonna have to leave and join back. Cause I know I did. I know I did it. Like, I actually know I made it up. Cause it said Sandstorm Island. So that's odd. Like, how did I get this then, huh? This is from Sandstorm. What do you mean? Oh my god, guys. This is actually bad. Like, dude, this game is glitching. I swear this game is glitching. No, shoot. Shoot! Like, dude, I remember making it up. I'll do it again, I guess. Let's do it again, boy. Reject. That's it. Come on. Like, dude, I swear I made it. Guys, do you believe me? If you believe me, write down in the comments that I did it. Oh no. Ah! Okay, Landis. You stupid. Land it. Land it. 1, 2. Where are we? Okay. Let's land that. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, I know I did it. And for some odd reason, it's not saying I did. Okay. Let's do this. If I get the okay, if I go here, 4, 5. We made it. Like, this is crazy. I think it's weird. It could be a glitch. 1, 2. Like, I do not know. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Eternal Island? What? Eternal Island. So you're saying to me I miss Sandstorm Island? What? Are you saying to me I missed Sandstorm Island? Guys, look, this is Eternal Island and I have it. What? Oh yes. I don't understand. That explains everything. Okay guys, I'm gonna do some unboxing pets right now. This is really expensive. Not that expensive. Diamond Strike Falcon. That's just, is that new? Diamond Strike Falcon, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And also, we have some very. Oh my! Dark Armor Dragon. Oh my god. And also, guys, we have some pretty sad news. Yesterday on the 9th of December, a rapper called Juicy World died of seizure. And I want to give all respect to his family. He spread positivity everywhere, so just RIP to him. He was a great rapper. I actually listen to him all the time, and it's hard to see him die, so just give him some respect. Oof. Okay guys, back to the video. Let's sell, because we don't need these guys. Goodbye, Blue Phoenix. Goodbye. Okay, let's set that dude. Let's go, boy. Guys, we have to get this 3% pet. Like, it's super rare. Corrupt Soul Dragon, that's another one we don't have. But you know what, I want to get Sandstorm Island, so I'm just gonna go. Why is my mic really close to my mouth? I hate when that happens. Okay boys, what is this yellow? Please tell me this doesn't move. Dude, yeah, I can't make it! But still, the skill. Look, I can't get it. I have 215. Yep. 2. Like, I can't make it to. I can't make it to them. Or maybe. What the heck? What? Ah! What the heck? What the heck? That is so bad. Bruh. This is rigged. Bruh. What do you mean? What? This is so bad. This is actually really bad. Why are people doing this? Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Guys, we are getting the hang of this. Nope. Okay, guys, let's stay. Let's have a rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. No. No. So, let's go. Let's go straight to the Eternal Island. Eternal Island used to be the last and final island. 4 and 6. Okay, let's go. No soaking dog. No! This is so annoying. Oh god. This is so annoying. No. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, phew. But I'm getting the hang of this. What? That is so unfair. This is literally unfair. Like, bruh. Stop bullying. You have to touch it for like a second. Okay, here we go. Come on, guys. Wow. One, 2, 3, 5. Come on, guys. Let's go. Guys, we are going really well. Come on, we are so close. Ah! No. Come on. Nope. Tornado area. What? Guys, we are so close. We can do it. No! Well, anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. We will make it to this new thing, but guys, we are too big. This is gonna be to be continued. I'll see you next one, guys. Peace. Bye.